Today, I'll show you how to translate text offline right on your Mac to protect your privacy without sending personal or sensitive data to the cloud. To perform offline translation, open System Settings in macOS Tahoe or System Preferences in older versions from the Apple menu or the dock. Next, go to General, Language and Region. Then scroll down and click Translation Languages. Here, you will see a list of languages available for offline translation. I have already downloaded English, German, and Japanese, but you should download the languages you want to use on your device. Next, check the box for on-device mode to ensure translations happen locally on your Mac without sending your data to Apple's servers. Then click Done and close the window. To confirm that translation is really happening offline on your device, turn off your internet connection. To translate text offline, select your text in apps like Mail, Notes, TextEdit, Messages, or Pages. Then right-click or control-click the selected text and from the context menu, select Translate. The source language appears in the top left corner and the translation appears below. If you click anywhere outside the floating translation window, it will disappear. And you will have to do it again. If you want to translate your text into a different language, click on the Options menu and select a different language, for example, German. Other languages are not available for on-device translation because I haven't downloaded them. To download more languages, click Manage Languages to download more. To listen to the translation, click the Play button. To replace the original text with the translation, click Replace with Translation. Or if you prefer to paste it somewhere else in your document, click Copy Translation and paste it. To translate text in an image, open it with the Preview app. Move the pointer to the edge of the first letter until it changes to a text cursor. Drag to select the text. Release your mouse button, right-click or control-click your selection, and select Translate. To translate text into more languages, download additional language packs, or uncheck on-device mode to access other available languages. If you are concerned about privacy and security, watch this video to learn how to configure your Mac's built-in firewall correctly. If you are worried that installed applications are spying on you, learn how to use the free LuLu firewall on your Mac to block outgoing connections. You can watch these videos at the end of this tutorial or access the links in the description box by clicking on More. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.